The Island team is proud to present 1672 Jupiter Road, an incredible 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, open floor plan home in Venice, Florida, with gorgeous outdoor living space. Situated on a large corner lot, the home is only 1 block from Lemon Bay, the Intracoastal Waterway, and South Venice Ferry, which, in 4 minutes, takes you over to the Gulf of Mexico beaches. You're welcome to this updated home by a semicircular driveway and lovely landscaping. Step inside the spacious living area with tile floors throughout and plenty of natural light flooding in. Entertain in the comfortable living room with quick access to the kitchen and dining room beyond. The upgraded kitchen features granite countertops, under cabinet and tray lighting, plus an open serving area and breakfast bar. Enjoy family meals in the dining room with sliding glass doors out to a paved patio area. The 4 bedrooms are uniquely located in the 4 corners of the home, providing maximum privacy for family and guests. The large master suite features walk-in closet and private bath. Another bedroom includes a half bath and, with access to outside, could easily be used as an in-law suite or office. If you love the outdoors or entertaining, this is the home for you. There's over 1,000 square feet of outdoor fenced patio space with a beautiful gazebo and tropical plants. Plus, there's the paved patio seating area just off the dining room. The entire lot is Florida-friendly landscaped, including an orchard with myriad fruit trees, including banana, mango, papaya, peach, fig, cherry, grapefruit, mulberry, and avocado. And it's all low maintenance, as there is no grass on the property, but there are sprinklers for the plantings. Other recent improvements include a new HVAC system, all new duct system, and insulation in the attic has been added for energy efficiency. Additionally, the home's furnishings are available for separate purchase. There are also no deed restrictions, which means boat or RV parking is allowed on driveway. There is also a 10x14 shed for extra storage. The surrounding area is truly an aquatic paradise. Bring your boat or kayak, launch from the dock on Lemon Bay, and float down miles of coastline with access to beautiful Gulf beaches, fishing, shelling, water skiing, and island hopping. Start living the Florida lifestyle you deserve. Call the Island team today and schedule your private showing.